Hello everybody and welcome back to another review. Today we're going to be reviewing Tokyo Mater. Drift Party Mater from Tokyo Mater. The car's June 2024 release. There's the back, not much to see there. Tokyo background, car's to background obviously. So yeah, a short sharp review today, so let's get this guy open and check him out. Come on. I don't think you want to be seeing that on, so there we go. There's the back without the car, and here's your car. Take a look at it. You can look at these wheels. Got his tow hook in the back. Got your metal chassis. You got your brown bonnet. Mater, you got his Japanese figure on the rod. Let me know what that means in the comments below. Your grey tow hook, primarily blue.